Oh my god, this is so weird. Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I look different, it's been a while. I will cover all of that. I just kind of wanted to make a quick little intro into this video. It's about 10 o'clock right now on Saturday. I'm going to get my hair. I keep calling it fixed. Everybody says it looks fine. It's weird like recording a video again, let alone looking like this. And I kind of look like a toe, but that's fine. So I'm just gonna do a quick little explanation about this, and then we're gonna go to my appointment, and like I said, I'll explain more throughout the day. So everybody has been in quarantine, whatever. I got bored. Obviously, if you've been on my channel for a while, you know this is my natural color hair, my eyebrows. I have never been blonde in my life. One day I was like, this seems like a great idea. It's not really even. It looks more even on camera, but all of this is lighter than the bottom, and then there's pieces underneath that are all lighter. I've toned it. I've done all these things. Like, I just can't get it to where I want it. I want it a lot more ashy. I have so much hair. Like, this is not the natural texture of my hair. My hair is very, very curly, very thick. It's just too much of a project for me to continue to do by myself. That's why I finally booked an appointment to go. Yeah, I'm super excited. So of course I will show you after. Kind of little of where I've been. Wasn't that the last video I made? Was I moved into this place. Okay, so I was going to make a house tour, studio tour. I live in a studio. Right as I was about to do that, one of my friends who's also in the Navy was supposed to transfer, ended their lease, all this shit, ended up getting held here for longer. They're not allowed to transfer. They ended up moving in with me, which again, I live in a studio. It's kind of a small space. We've gotten it as organized as possible, but again, somebody else's half of their shit in here is kind of just like an adjustment, and our schedules are very opposite, and it's just like, it just wasn't realistic for me to make an apartment tour when there's all this extra shit in here. So there's that. Obviously the gyms were closed. Gain the quarantine 15, if you will. And what was the other thing? Oh, my MacBook, I'm one of those people where it says, do your updates, and I'm like, oh yeah, I'll do it tomorrow. So my laptop was so behind on updates. My iMovie started to crash, and I actually had made a video. I could not export it. I tried every way. I Googled for help, like I called Apple, so basically I ended up updating all of the software on my laptop, finally got iMovie, all those programs back. My MacBook is a little bit older. I got it in like 2012 when I started college, so all of that was a process, and it kind of just put me off of even trying to make another video because I'd put all this time into making a video and then I couldn't even upload it. But the cool thing is, a lot of you who do want to still talk to me or message me, ask me questions, you do go and find my Instagram, which I usually have in the description of every video. So if you've been one of those people, that's been super cool. Yeah, I think that's all I really want to say. So hopefully my laptop lets me upload this video. And I've seen comments of like, I wish you uploaded more, blah, blah, blah. That's kind of why I haven't. The past 2 weeks I've been in a class. Well, this week and then next week I'm in a class, and I also right before that switched to night shift, so my whole sleep schedule is super discombobulated. My caffeine intake went from high to higher, so I'm happy to be making this video. Hopefully you guys are seeing it finally, and I'm not just making another video to just get frustrated over. Cross your fingers. Anyways, I'm gonna go to the salon, and I will see you guys after with my new hair. So this is my new hair, temporarily until Friday. Like I said, today is Saturday. So basically, I've never been to this salon, and they ended up booking me for like an all over color, and then I'm like, no, that's not what I wanted, but I did want to trim. So she ended up cutting off about 3 inches of my hair because it was just all dead, whatever. And then she went ahead and just threw like a toner on me, and I sat there in the toner for, I don't know, probably like 20 minutes or so. So it's very ashy. This is what I'm going for as ashy, but it's still more on the brunette side. So on Friday, when she actually is booking me for the right amount of time, we're gonna go back in and she's gonna bleach it and then get it to the blonde, like ashy where I want it. So, I mean, I already love this, so to have it like cohesive and just all over is gonna be even better. So I'm very excited. So this is just, a little temporary. It does feel so much healthier, so much lighter. because my hair is just very dense. There's a lot of it. So that's that. I like how I'm trying to make a vlog and like make a video, but I already suck at it. Like I ended up going to the mall after my appointment and I was just gonna buy normal underwear, and then it turns out they were having their semi-annual sale. So I got 10 pairs of underwear and a body spray for $58, which is fucking awesome because half of the underwear that I got is like their sexy, fancy, expensive underwear that literally costs like $58 for one pair. So do you ever, you know, when you're like, I have so much to do and you don't want to do any of it? So I'm debating whether going to the gym, or I have a bunch of, I need to do laundry, don't want to do it. I need to do dishes, don't want to do it. I'm fucking starving. And then basically I don't know what I'm gonna do right now. Later at some point in the afternoon, night, I'm going over to my friend's house. We're just gonna like, I don't know, watch movies, have like a game night. I'm assuming this vlog is probably gonna be over a couple days. I'm just afraid that all my shit's not gonna work. So I'm gonna go cook some chicken and I guess do the dishes while I'm in there, and we'll go from there. I just cooked 2 of these chickens. Well, this was one chicken. I sliced it and I tried to do in half, but that's that. It has Italian seasoning on it. I was gonna make a whole little sandwich, but now I gotta go meet my friend at the store. So I'm just gonna eat it when I come back, I guess, and just drink my coffee because I am that way, I guess. And then, oh, there's a cat. I think that's a cat. Look at the kitty. Okay, it's a cat. All right, now you're not gonna move. As soon as I stop recording, it's gonna move. Okay, fuck you. Now I'm like so focused on this cat. So instead of having like a game night later, we decided we're gonna do like a sip and paint night. You know, when you like drink wine and you fucking follow a paint tutorial. That'll be super fun. We're gonna go get all the supplies for that and then probably all meet up a couple hours later. Okay, the cat is not moving. Now I'm not as mad. So the past few weeks, all I've wanted to eat is fucking strawberries. Like, strawberries are the only fruit I want. I'm gonna eat other fruit, and then I was like, yo, the other day I found non-dairy whipped cream. So I've just been eating it like this. It's so good. They had a coconut milk one too, but this was the last one of the almond milk, so I just assumed. This does taste really almondy though. Like, it's good, but if you eat it by yourself, like you squirt it in your mouth, you're gonna be like, holy shit, that tastes like almonds. Try it. So I'm gonna try and show you guys how I do that at home, like eyelash extensions. There's like a gajillion videos on YouTube dedicated to this, so I'm just gonna try and show you really quick. But basically Ardell sells this glue. It's not their normal glue, but it's called Lash Tight, and this is the dark one. They also have a white one. I just feel like along years ago when I like used to try it, I did it not with the dark, and you can just see the glue more than you can with the dark. It kind of just like, I don't know, blends with the lashes, if you will. And then the ones I have are 6-pack. So this one is the long. I don't use them as much just because they are so fucking long. Sometimes I'll mix the long with the medium, but for the most part, I'll put just all mediums, and personally, I'm happy with that. I don't really have a rhyme or reason for how I do it. I honestly just kind of put them on, and as I'm going, I think the longest they've lasted, when I was super careful and like made sure I wasn't sleeping on my side or like whatever, or like pulling on them, they lasted about 7 days. Otherwise, they last me about like 4-ish days, I'd say. So I just take the glue. I'm not really precise with it. I'll either just swipe it on the top or the bottom. I don't know. Like I said, I'm not very exact with this. And then I just go ahead, and every now and again, there's a couple that go wonky, and I just take them off and, you know, add some new glue and just place another one. I do place them kind of up high, so that way I can either push it down or it'll just fall like right into place. Okay, so here's about a halfway point update. This is a finish of my eyes. Again, they're not perfect. I don't really care. They work for me. As you can see, some of the glue is probably not perfect. Again, that's okay. I don't mind. I'm debating whether I should go put on sweatpants instead of just like the pants that I have on. They're like, oh, they're like athletic slippy pants like that. My hair won't stay. Like, it's being really puffy today and I don't like it. I have a really bad habit of not driving with my seatbelt, but for the sake of it not dinging in this, and safety, here we are. I'm going to base really quick. I make the watch wheels for my section, so I'm going to get like a picture of them because my section works on Monday, Tuesday, and I don't really feel like going tomorrow. But my friend's house that I'm going to is like past base, so it makes sense to go right now. That's where I'm going. That's what I'm doing.